Hey Zach.
Yes, David.
If there is one accessory I should have for the minibus, what should it be?
Are you going to give me time to think about this beforehand?
No, we're live.
I don't know. A fireplace.
Inside?
Inside, a fireplace and a cooler.
All right, let's work on that cooler. I like that.
Yeah, cooler's a good thing.
That's good. Today, I'm going to show you different accessories that I purchased to outfit the minibus. Most of them are for the interior, some for the exterior. Let's start with the driving gloves. I got a speaker system. This is going to be a party bus. This fits nicely in the back and it's loud.
I got a story to tell, you know that I cherish these. Hope it ain't too many feelings involved.
Black lights, USB powered. Installing the black lights on the ceiling. Check out how the paint glows under the black light. Blue laser starlight. Plug it in. I also got these circular chrome side view mirrors. These are gonna really put the looks together. I will attach a spring to this hook that will secure the mirrors in the down position. Like so. Mirrors are installed. Look at that. I think the mirrors really help bring it together. Nice and shiny. They wing out to the sides. Got these springs on both sides, so if I need more clearance or if it's too wide, I can go like this.
Unhinge. And go like that. Unhinge. And fold it like that.
Nice tucked in. Gardening pads. I used the garden pads to cover up some bolts that were sticking up underneath here. You can see right there. Did the same thing back there. A handle.
Hi David, can I go on the rear access cargo / picnic table door? Like right over here?
More interior LED strip lights. These are really cool. Plug in USB and I can control them from my phone. Voice activated. I got voice activated lights on my minibus. Or music. We got the boom boom. Boom! Voice activated lights. Shiny duct tape to dazzle it up. Wrap on metal, copper and silver. Make it shiny. Cutting the copper foil. And creating the dashboard. And beautiful. It's gonna look really nice.
Oh yeah.
Copper.
Yeah, copper, me likey. You likey? I likey.
Not too shiny where it blinds my eyes. Phone holder. Bolted on. That's a PVC tube with a washer, screw, and lock nut to secure it in place. Black light for the paint. Yeah, I got a few of these guys. So this is going to go into the main power source, and then I can power everything inside individually with these buttons. Everything is individually powered. Buttons in action. Obviously my dashboard is a huge mess right now. There are cords everywhere And I got lots of buttons, more buttons, more buttons, more buttons over there, and more buttons coming. Oh, I got over there and another button over there. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that up, but right now that's what it looks like. Black light tape.
So blue, green, white, yellow, pink, orange.
I know my colors. Green and pink. And now in the dark. I got a ton of these little lights. This is for the exterior.
There's 7 different colors, and really quickly, come on.
Anyway, here, see? You'll see them on the bus. So now I'm gonna install these awesome USB lights. I drilled the hole and I strung all the USB cords through the hole. I'm gonna plug it in right now, see if everything works. Boom! Check 1. Yep. Alright, so this is all plugged into the switch boxes. They go through the crack.
Wacky
They go
cracky.
under the dashboard. They go up the hole.
Through the crack and up the hole.
Now we're out of the minibus. Going around to check it out. Up the hole. Follow the wires. Up, 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 up. Through the other hole. And yes, every light works. We're in good shape. I've hot glued gun every single cord to the top. The garage light just went off, so here we go. This is what it looks like in the dark. Cool. I like how all the exciting colors are on this side, and then slowly fades to the blue, which is in the center, to the more subdued colors, and ends with a purple. Cool. I like it. I got a disco ball.
RGB, USB, plug-in, disco ball.
Here is the disco ball. I figured I'd put it in the back of the bus, above the stereo, so it's not in my eyes and I can shine it any direction. Thanks, Zach, for the cooler suggestion. I'm gonna put it in right now. Check out my next video, and I'm gonna have this stuff in it. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. And if you do, I'll make more of the similar vibe. Have you ever taken a bus?
If so, share this video and give it a plus.